of the day. Great things never came from comfort zone. Great things never came from comfort zone. It was one of the coldest winter and many animals were dying because of the cold. The porcupine, realizing the situation, decided to group together to each other warm. This was greater way to protect themselves from the cold and keep each of them warm. But the sharp quills of each one wounded their closest companions. After a while, they decided to distance themselves, but they too began to die due to cold. So they had to make a choice, either accept the quills of their companion or choose death. They decided to go back to being together and live with a few wounds caused by their closest relationship. This way, they were able to survive. You might come across many challenging situations in life which you must face boldly. That time, leave your comfort zone and open up with others, which might bring some friction. This will be a greater strength when you enter into real life after student life. So, great things never comes from comfort zone. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.